Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. And on this amazing episode, it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas to all of you, my viewers. I am so happy to have you in my channel and to follow me all through the year. I am so happy for your shares that you've done for me. So on this amazing Christmas piece, I'm going to show you how to make some mincemeat with some potatoes, mashed potatoes. You will love it. You put it in the oven, 30 minutes, it's all done. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, give me that like. Let's get started. So Christmas is my best holiday and I'm so excited. So surprise your loved one with this very simple recipe that they will love. So let's get started. For our ingredients first, let me show you. So mincemeat, depending on the quantity that you want or the family you have. Of course, some potatoes, some onions, of course some fruits. For you, the family needs some freshness, and some cheese, and then to spice that up you need some garlic, some paprika, and some black pepper, and of course some salt to season. So yeah, that's it guys, and your meal is the first thing we're going to do is to cook our mincemeat. So we're gonna cut our onion. So have fun in your kitchen, have as many people in the kitchen come and help you, and then it's gonna be so much fun to cook this Christmas season. It's the best holiday. I like to finely chop my onions, so I do it really fine. So next we're gonna heat our oil in the pan. So I hope you're enjoying yourself in the kitchen. So after you heat your oil in a pan of a medium heat, you're gonna put your onions and then fry them for just a minute until they just change color a bit. Make sure your oil is hot so that you have that sizzling sound. Next, we're going to put our mincemeat. Then we're gonna cook it on low or medium heat until it changes color. And then we're gonna cover it to cook for like 10 minutes. Cover it. So as our meat is cooking, we're gonna work on our potatoes. So we're gonna peel them. And then you cut your potatoes like this and then boil them. It's easier to boil them. They don't take as much time when you boil a whole potato. So you just cut them into small pieces. And then you put some salt to give it some flavor, and then you just mash it with some butter. Your kids will definitely love it because it's really healthy. And then just to top it up, I normally like putting some cheese, and yeah, and your lunch is done. Because if your kids are picky eaters, you just have to get them something that they will love to eat. So after cutting our potatoes, I like to wash them. So I'm gonna wash this again. And just wash them. So after putting your pot, you put some water in your pot, and then you put a bit of salt. Then we're going to put our potatoes and let them boil. Then you cover them. As that is cooking, we're gonna work on our mincemeat. You see it has changed color. So this is the stage to spice. We're gonna put our spices into the mincemeat. Some garlic, some black pepper, and some paprika. Looks amazing, it smells delicious. So next, after putting our paprika, our salt, and our black pepper and our garlic, we're gonna add in some tomato sauce and let that cook for just 5 minutes. If you have some chili, you can put in some chili, but it smells delicious. It's so amazing. So we're gonna love it this Christmas. We're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes, cooking on low. This recipe normally surprises everyone because it's so healthy and easy dinner for you, even dinner, even lunch. Yes. So our potatoes are done. So we're gonna remove the water first, as you can see. So we're gonna remove the water and sieve this out. So what I do is I put a bit of water on the side just for using to mash, and then the rest I can drain. So I have a friend with me here. Hi. Who are you?
Ethan.
Yeah, this is my son. How old are you? 5. So what are you going to do today?
Help mommy to cook.
What are we cooking? What are we cooking?
My favorite.
Yes. So you're gonna help mommy mash the potatoes? Yes. Okay. He loves to do this, so you can get your family involved in the mashing. Yeah, how is it?
Good.
It's good. It's so easy, right? So our potatoes are done. What we've done is we've just added a bit of butter and then just mashed it together, and this is our mashed potatoes. They look so nice. How do they look, Ethan? Good. The next step is you're gonna put some butter on this. Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Yeah, you help mommy to butter that up. Can use, yeah, spread it all over. Yay, such a good boy. Yeah, butter it all over. Yeah, you know, all this energy they have, you know, the schools are closed right now, so all this energy we are using it on, you know, cook with them, let them get involved. They love this. Do you like it? I'm gonna make sure you put on the sides, all the sides. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, now you can smear it on the side. Yeah, you're doing it well. Such a good work. So the next step that I'm gonna do as it does that is gonna scoop 1 scoop like this of your mashed potatoes. Make sure your hands are clean. Yeah, if you have some parsley, you can put in. Unfortunately, I didn't have some. So what you do is you roll it around like this, like a ball, 1 scoop, and then you just put a bit of a hole in the middle like this, and then you put it there. You can put as many, like as many as you want. No, don't apply on that, just apply on this. Yeah, you put just a bit of a hole on it.
It'll do what?
I'm gonna put some mince meat and some cheese inside. Okay.
Oh no, I just put in there.
Hey, you're doing a good job. I like it. I like it. It looks amazing.
I'm putting the cheese, the mashed potatoes on the top of the mashed potatoes.
Yeah, so the next thing is you're gonna put some cheese on our mashed potatoes. Are you gonna do that for us, Ethan?
Yes.
Okay, just put some cheese. Yeah, such a good boy.
No, not
Don't fall. No falling.
Yes.
Hmm?
Mom, I put that.
You put that, and I'm putting that already.
Yes.
Okay,
Put in that a little bit.
just a little bit. Okay.
Oh, you're putting many.
Then I put this one. So you're gonna remain this for putting on top. After we put our mincemeat, that's it. Okay. So our next thing is you're gonna put our mincemeat on top. Okay.
Mom,
Of them.
put with some spoons.
Yes.
Because it is hot.
Yes, it is hot. So next you're gonna put some mincemeat. Now put some cheese on top of the one I put mincemeat. Okay, put some cheese on top. You do some cheese like this. Okay, just put a bit. Yeah, so that each of them get. Okay,
Will be what?
You doing a good job. Does it look amazing for Christmas? Yay! And it's just a healthy snack.
Yes.
Healthy snack. Look at that. Look at what you did. Amazing, right? Amazing. Tell them Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yay, clap for Ethan, he's done a good job. So we're going to put this in the oven.
Yes.
Okay, and then we're gonna put them for just 10 minutes so that the cheese can melt and you can have your favorite food. Yes, are you ready? So guys, look at the way it looks amazing. Oven for just 10 minutes. So make sure your oven is at 200 degrees for just 10 minutes. So we're gonna put this in and let the cheese melt. Yeah. Woo, this has been so amazing, making this awesome meal with my family. Thank you so much for staying in. Don't skip my arts for those people who are skipping. Yes. And my hair lady, she told me to make sure I mention her. If you want to get in touch with her, DM me on Instagram. Her name is Mama Bravin and she's just the best. She's been doing amazing hairstyles on my hair. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. So you're gonna get in touch with her, let me know. DM me on Instagram. Same name, Caroline Glory. Yes. And that's it. In 10 minutes in 200 degrees, you just put your mashed potatoes and mincemeat and some cheese. You get it out. It's so nice and crispy. Your kids will definitely love it. So have a look. Oh, that sound. All done. Look at that. Look at that. All done, melted. Looks delicious. Look at that. So we're gonna serve this. Look at that. Looks delicious. I want to scoop one nice one on top like that. Maybe one nice one on top like that. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Look at that. How does that look? Amazing, delicious. This is for Ethan. Yeah. It's so healthy, they love it.
Ouch.
Are you ready?
What?
Are you ready, baby?
Yes.
Are you ready to taste?
Yes.
Okay, have a taste with mommy. Tell me how it is. The cheese, look at the cheese, guys. How is that?
Good.
It's good. I'm gonna try mine. Clap for mommy. It's been an amazing episode making this delicious. I'm telling you, what I love about it is because it's so healthy. So as much as the potatoes are not like toasted, and then the cheese is just the cake, you will love it. So guys, it's been an amazing episode making these amazing mashed potatoes with mincemeat. It is so nice. It's so healthy. I hope you've enjoyed this holiday special. Yeah. So the next episode is I'm gonna show you how I make my chicken breast for my family. It is so easy, always easy in this channel. Caroline Glory YouTube channel is where you get the easy, simple meals for your family. 10 minutes, 30 minutes, you're in and out of the kitchen. So it's been an amazing episode making this. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. If not liked, like, give me a comment. Try this, let me know how your experience was. But for me, it's been amazing. So that's it from me, guys. Bye. Mwah.